Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to pay with Paysafe card on Eneba. If you have a Paysafe MasterCard, you can buy things from Eneba with Paysafe MasterCard. So how you can do it? First, go to Eneba website and log into your account. Then after login, choose your item to buy with to purchase. Add this item on your cart. After adding cart, go to your cart from here. After go to your cart and then select proceed to checkout. Then you will be redirected to your payment method from here. You will see a bunch of options from here. You will see credit or debit card option. Just select it and then enter your Paysafe card MasterCard number, your card holder's name, its expiry date. After entering your information correctly, then just select continue and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. And that's how you can pay with Paysafe on Eneba.